Hello everyone, welcome again to Kuya Sir TV. So this video we're going to discuss on how to square trinomial. So in squaring trinomial we're going to use steps, the same as squaring binomial. First we have our trinomial here. We have a plus b plus c squared. So we have a is our first term, b our second term, and c our last term or the third term. So first step in squaring trinomial is we're going to find the square of the first term, the second term, and the last term. We have a squared plus b squared plus c squared. So that is for the first step in squaring trinomial. The square of the first term, the second term, and the last term. Next, we're going to multiply the first term and the second term and multiply again by 2. We have 2 times A times B. Now next, we're going to multiply the first term and then the last term and multiply it again by 2. We have 2 times A the first term times C the last term. Next, we're going to multiply the second term and the last term and multiply it by 2. So we have 2 times B times C. And after this one, so we're going to simplify. A raised to 2, we have A squared. B raised to 2, we have B squared. C raised to 2, we have C squared. And then multiply A times B, we have AB. Times 2, we have 2AB. And then multiply A times C, we have AC. Multiply by 2, we have 2AC. Multiply B and C, we have BC. Multiply by 2, we have 2BC. So we have now our answer in squaring trinomial A plus B plus C. That is A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC. Next, if we have 3C minus 4D plus 5E squared. Okay, we're going to square this trinomial 3C minus 4D plus 5E. So first, we're going to square the first term. And then, the square of the second term, which is negative 4D squared. And then the square of the last term or the third term, which is 5E. Then we have squared. So next is we're going to multiply the first term and the second term and multiply it again by 2. We have plus 2 times 3C times negative 4D. And then for the next step, we're going to multiply the first term and the last term and then multiply it again by 2. So we have 2 times 3C times 5A, E rather. And then for the last step, so we're going to multiply the last second term and the last term, which is we have negative 4D as our second term and 5E as our last term, and multiply it again by 2. We have 2 times negative 4D and then we have 5E. So after this one, we're going to simplify so that we can have our answer now. So since we have coefficient in every variable, so we're going also to square the coefficient in every variable. So we have 3 times 3, that is 9. C times C, that is C squared. So we have negative 4. So negative times negative, it yields positive. So 4 times 4, that is 16. D times D, that is D squared. So we have 5 squared, or simply 5 times 5, we have 25. E times E, that is E squared. So next, we're going to multiply 3C and negative 4D. It gives us negative 12 CD. So negative 12 CD multiplied to 2, that is negative 24CD. Next, we're going to multiply 3C and 5A, 5E rather. So 3C times 5E, it yields 15CE. 15CE times 2, that is 30CE. So for the last one is we're going to multiply negative 4D and then 5E. So negative 4D times 5E, it gives us negative 20DE times 2, that is negative 40DE. So this is our answer in squaring trinomial 3C minus 4D plus 5E. Sana nagustuhan nyo naman ang video ito at sana mayroon kayong nakukuhang kaalaman or may natutunan kayo sa ating videos sa ngayon. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit also the notification bell para sa sunod na mga video natin. Salamat.